Hi guys, welcome to our More Tech YouTube channels. It's a common for car buyer to put most of their effort into finding the perfect car and only think about financing at the end of the journey. While getting the right vehicle is critically important, figures out how to pay for it and getting a car loan are also critical part of their car buying proceeds. Over budgets and financing can help you judge how much can you get offered, helping you narrow your clothes. Few buyers can afford to pay cash for the full price of new or used car purchase. Instead, you need to get an auto loan to cover and that the entire cost of the vehicles or the sub part of it. Getting a bad car finance deal can force you pay extra each month of rig you credit history for 2 years. Your loan payment is just one piece of the cost of owning a car. It's need to fit into your budget will at the same time paying down the balance as quickly as possible. Do your homework and make sure it's not just about hey I went to pay $300 a monthly, says an executive director of struggles around all financially. Really make sure that vehicles meet your needs, that it has the definitely that you need, so that you get that whole package and total cost of ownership experience as the opposed to shopping the vehicle payment. Overall car ranking and used car ranking and reviews will help you find the right vehicle, while the following step will guide you through getting a great deal on your car loan. It is common for car buyer to put off the thought of financing until they are in car dealership financing office. That's unfortunately a path to patients. A financially clientele smart can buyer know how much vehicle they can afford and have a plan in place to finance. Smart clientele how much vehicle they can afford and have a plan in place to finance their new RD before they even think about handing a dealership. You might end up with dealer financing, but if the dealer does not have an offer financing, but if the dealer does not have an offer to beats that, I shall have no income bodies to give you a more affordables. It's a common for car buyer and put most effort in finding the perfect car and only think about financing at the end of this. While getting the right vehicles is critically important figuring. There are some essential terms that you want to understand before you begin your auto financing adventures. Here are a few of the most important. Car loan. A car loan is contract between you and a lender where they agree to provide you with the cash to buy a new or used car, and you agree to pay that the money back out over time unless you get a 0% financing deal. You have to pay interest each month on the loan balance. Thanks for watching on the video. Thank you so much.